Hello everybody, it is me, and today I wanted to show you guys my new look. This is for the club that I'm in, which is Nicole Ice Hills Club. So the club outfit I'm wearing is a black starter gear hat, a black warm sweater is what it's called, black training pants, the GED worker gloves, and black starter gear boots. Now the club tag that I'm pretty much wearing is not really important. It is pretty much black sporty saddle, timeless sporty saddle pad, well, chewy. The third place for Penta Prize, or yeah. I think it's Ella's saddlebag with chewy in it, and a winter bow, and blue leg wraps or bandages, and yeah. So my swiftness with this tack on is 17, and my running, riding with this clothing on is 15, so 15 plus 17 is 32, so we go back to, I have 32 32 is my speed, I'm pretty sure. Or maybe it might be times, I'm not that sure. But I mean, yeah, this is how you'll be seeing me right now. Or this is how you'll be seeing me. My club horse is, right now, now it's winter, but soon it will be my, half-winter. It might be, I'm not that sure. Or if I ever get another black horse, it will be that. Also, okay, it might be kind of awkward, but I'm thinking of if I ever can afford this, my club horse being this Morgan, which is 797s, or the black English thoroughbred. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this so I don't do another video and I get a lot of comments of why I'm wearing completely black. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment if you did, and comment down below if you want to see more. Bye guys!